Yeah, Dick Rochford here. This is our approach
Dick Rochford,
into
fly safely.
Panama City. And the excitement has been that we're right on our fuel bingo, and lo and behold, we go to load the RNAV approach for the runway in use, and it's not available in the charts. It's available in the Garmin database, but not in the Jeppesen charts. So that may mean something, it may not, but truth is, we haven't got the numbers. There is, however, a visual approach in the charts. So we've taken the liberty of loading that. And it's suspiciously like the RNAV, as you might guess, but different rules, of course, so here we go. Weather's reported 1800 broken and plenty of visibility. It's a 6,000 foot runway. So, except for my natural skepticism, this should be a piece of cake. It'll leave the radar on for now, because we might need to turn or do something. We might need it. But everything out there is ground, at least as far as we can tell. Lots of traffic. Well, maybe not. Let's look again. Let's bring this tilt up some. Go to bearing pointer. Paint the dark stuff. Switch to vertical. See what we got.
Puede quedarse esperando en el área de Costa del Este. November 350, Juliet Juliet, descent to 2100.
2100, November 350, Juliet Juliet.
Good.
LSA5, due to traffic, hold over, report, maintain 3000.
We'll hold over, report, and maintain 3000 LSA5.
We're down to what?
Golf Mike,
to 1000.
2100. Alright, that means we're in front of him and maybe no hold. So let's.
It's other traffic. One take
yeah, but I'm saying he's holding it at 3, which means we're cleared in front of him if in fact we're conflicting. Alright, so getting a little busy now, so you might have to see about continuing the video. But we're expecting a straight-in visual, runway 1, Panama City.
El Papa 1617, tránsito a las 10 y 5 millas rumbo noroeste, 2000 pies. Mantenga 2500.
A lot of high clouds. But so far so good.
401, tránsito a las 10, 4 millas rumbo surwest, Islander a 2500.
Buscándolo.
November 350, Juliet Juliet, reduce speed to 150 knots.
Reduce 150 knots, November 350, Juliet Juliet.
Alright, 23 inches, brakes out.
Okay.
This is a speed reduction, and that's fine. Our target speed is 130 knots outside the marker, or for the descent to the runway. It looks like we're going to get the runway in sight for the visual.
El Papa 1737, tránsito Boeing 737 en el localizador de Tacoma en 3000 pies en descenso.
So we can accept that speed restriction, but I encourage PA-46 pilots not to accept speed restrictions on final. So, in other words, 130 to the marker, 120 to the lights, period. No questions.
Tiene tránsito a las 10 y 5 millas rumbo surwest, Islander a 2500 pies. Va a ser número 4 en la secuencia.
So if he tries to put us in a hold, tell him unable, min fuel. I would recommend you keep your finger on the brake handle so that you remember to put them in at 130 knots. Oh, 150, sorry. Put them in. Yep. And let's see, 20, back to 25. We got to use 25 for that.
Sería Tocumen entonces posible y ascenso 7500, 9500.
Correcto, vuela hacia Tocumen, ascenso para 7500, le informo tránsito visual en el área de Costa del Este haciendo práctica.
A lot of traffic inside. It's coming.
Yeah, it is a lot of traffic.
El Papa 401, número 1 en secuencia cruzada, la pista 01, cambio con Jalaber 183.
Panamá, Hotel Apado 500, desciende para 1500.
500, descenso para 1500, inicio reducción para la mínima, va a seguir un Cessna 1, un patrón de espera sobre Taboga, 3500 un patrón de espera sobre Taboga.
3500 el patrón de espera sobre Taboga, mayor lugar.
November 350 Juliet for spacing flight heading of 030, you'll be following wind Keen Air at your 1 o'clock and 6 miles.
030.
030, November 350.
All right, that's acceptable.
Del Papa 1875, cierra kilo.
'Cause there he is right there. But
Del Papa 124 Alfa Alfa Delta, el tránsito visual en Costa del Este está a la 1, 3 millas a 2000 pies. Verifica si lo tiene a la vista.
it looks like we got the canal parking lot out here.
1875, Panamá Control en contacto radar, Gelaber 01. Recibido.
Al hábitat tráfico 124.
2500, el Cessna 1 lleva sobre el puente de las Américas, verifica si lo tiene a la vista.
Negativo al momento.
Okay. Proceda a la 01, continua reducción para la mínima practicable.
Reducción y tráfico en el ticket.
El Papa 1737, Panamá.
Adelante 1737.
There's your
Ya para la secuencia rumbo de
final approach.
230, tránsito ingresando al localizador de Tocumen, un Boeing 737 a 3000 pies.
230, Hotel Papa 1737 para secuencia.
Nice little rainbow over there.
240.
Ahora 240 Hotel Papa 1737 correcto.
November 350 Juliet, left turn heading of 350 now, reduce to the minimum practical.
Left 350, reduce it to minimum practical. November 350,
Juliet, the traffic to follow your 11 o'clock and 4 miles is Keen Air at 1,600 feet. Verify you have it inside.
Not in sight looking.
I don't have inside November 350,
Más acercamiento del Papa 1617, Romeo.
El Papa 1617, adelante.
1617, Romeo, que me autoriza el cambio con 269.
Cena aprobado, mantenga 2 más 500.
2 más 500, cambio aprobado.
So we're going the right way. Obviously, we got a rain shower here.
November 350 Juliet, the traffic at your 12 o'clock and 3 miles now.
I have the radios. You got it?
Yeah, I have the visual inside November 350,
Confirm if you have that traffic inside.
Affirmative, 300.
350,
Okay, follow that traffic, proceed runway 01, reduce to the minimum and clear for a visual approach runway 01.
Number 2, clear to visual approach 01, November 350,
Where's the traffic?
just in the front, 12 o'clock.
Okay, are we spaced correctly, or do we need to do a 360?
No, we need to reduce if we can.
All right, gear and flaps. Maintain 110 or better.
We'll maintain 3000.
He's right there. He's
Right.
over the canal.
I don't see him, but you need to descend. Okay? Autopilot off. Can you see the runway?
Yeah, he's right
Okay, look out the window, find the runway. Keep him in sight.
00 Hotel Papa 1737.
El Papa 124 Alfa Alfa Delta vuelo de Tocumen a Nicanor.
You still have him in sight?
there. Yeah, he's over there in the front.
Y procedemos a Piña Hotel Papa 14 Alfa.
It's like most of this rain is off to the east, but I don't.
El Papa 1737 rumbo de 180 ahora, 180, mantenga 2000.
Por mi izquierda 180.
I don't see the traffic, so keep an eye on it because I do not see him.
Tango Golf Mike, Uniform Golf, proceda por su derecha directo a Gelaber. Descienda para 2500 pies.
Por derecha de la verde, 2500 pies para máquina popular.
Dick Rochford, fly safely. Train off it.